In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZUOYA GMK87 TKL Keyboard. The GMK87 mechanical keyboard is a versatile and ergonomic keyboard designed for users who value both functionality and aesthetics. It features an 80% layout with 84 essential keys, making it compact yet fully functional, compatible with Windows, Android, and Mac systems. This keyboard supports multiple connection modes, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and USB wired, ensuring flexibility for various devices. The hot-swappable PCB allows users to easily replace switches without soldering, while the adjustable feet and anti-slip silicone pads enhance typing comfort. Additionally, the keyboard includes a programmable display that shows useful information such as date, time, and battery percentage, and features customizable RGB backlighting. With a minimalist design and a user-friendly volume control knob, the GMK87 is not just a tool for typing or gaming but also an enjoyable accessory for any setup. Number 2. SKYLOONG GK75 TKL Keyboard. The SKYLOONG GK75 is a compact, wired mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and multifunctional use, featuring a 75% layout with 78 keys and a stylish white case. It incorporates high-performance Glacia optical silver switches that offer rapid response times and a hot-swappable, allowing for easy customization with compatible switches. The keyboard boasts a vibrant RGB backlight with 16 million color options, programmable macros, and a unique rotary knob for enhanced user experience. Constructed with durable double-shot PBT keycaps, it minimizes noise and vibration through an innovative O-ring light gasket design, ensuring a quieter typing experience. Compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, the GK75 is suitable for various environments, from home to office settings, making it an ideal choice for gamers and casual users alike. Additionally, it comes with essential accessories like extra keycaps, switches, and a USB Type-C cable, providing a complete package for customization and convenience. Number 3. SKYLOONG GK87 Keyboard. The SKYLOONG GK87 V3 is a versatile and customizable mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and office use, featuring an 87-key tankless layout. It offers advanced connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections, allowing seamless switching between devices such as PCs, laptops, and tablets. The keyboard incorporates an innovative split spacebar and 3 programmable rotary knobs for enhanced functionality. Built for comfort, it features a gasket-like design that dampens noise and vibration, along with hot-swappable Gateron G Pro switches for a tactile typing experience. The striking full RGB illumination offers 16.8 million color options and multiple lighting modes, while the durable retro T-Gray PBT keycaps ensure longevity. With a 3600 mAh battery for wireless operation and a robust design suitable for intense gaming and typing sessions, the GK87 V3 is an excellent choice for users seeking a premium keyboard experience. Number 4. EPOMAKER Brick 87 Keyboard. The EPOMAKER Brick 87 is a versatile tankless, TKL, mechanical keyboard designed for enhanced user experience and personalization. Featuring a compact design without a numeric keypad, it allows for more desk space and portability. It offers triple connectivity options including Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and Type-C wired, powered by a robust 3000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. The keyboard is equipped with hot-swappable mechanical switches, providing compatibility with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, ensuring easy customization. Unique features include a stackable block bar for aesthetic customization, programmable keys through the EPOMAKER software for Win and Mac OS compatibility, and creative thumb scroll knobs that enhance usability by controlling volume and backlighting. The Brick 87's RGB backlighting, PBT or PC keycaps, and durable ABS plastic casing make it a stylish yet sturdy choice for desktops, laptops, and tablets. Number 5. Zuohe ZH870 Mechanical Keyboard. The Zuohe ZH870 mechanical keyboard combines functionality and style, featuring a standard layout with 88 keys and a range of connection methods, including Bluetooth, Type-C, and 2.4 GHz wireless technology. Designed for both desktop and gaming applications, this mechanical keyboard is constructed with a durable ABS frosted fine-grain material and offers customizable RGB lighting along with hot swappable keys for personalized user preferences. Although it does not include wrist support, it is built for versatility in both office and gaming environments. Available in multiple color options and priced at approximately $129.28 after a promotional discount, this keyboard is marketed as an ideal gift or accessory for laptop users and enthusiasts alike. The product's secure payment and privacy policies ensure customer information is protected, enhancing the overall buying experience.